not approving the money. From next week now.
On top inside Edo today, Obaseki and NIRSAL don't sign another Ogbonge deal on top Edo State Agripreneur Programme. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't sign Ogbonge deal with Nigerian incentive-based risk-sharing system for agricultural lending, NIRSAL. Them sign this deal so that them go fit expand Edo Agripreneur Programme, make it for consign plenty crops them plus grains wey in don first put body before. Make una sabi say this program follow dey for under Central Bank of Nigeria Anchor Borrowers Program, and it be cover only grains like corn and rice. And this Edo State Agripreneur Program dey different location for Edo State, even for Sobe wey dey Owan West local government area for the state. Obaseki talk am when he waka go see the farms wey dey for Sobe, say he signed this Ogbonge deal with NIRSAL based on say 2019 Agripreneur Programme waka well on top grains matter, and now he go put body on top poultry, piggery, and wetin oyibo dey call root and tuber crops. Obaseki talk say farming don become better thing for under this program, and e go good make youths dem put body on top farming for their local government areas.
Today we are here to witness the harvesting at the close of this year's agric season in Sobe, where, as you have been informed, we cultivated in excess of 400 hectares of land for maize. We are not restricting ourselves to only grains, to only rice or maize. We started from that because those are short-dated products. Within 90 days, you can grow rice, grow maize. Now we want to do more. We want to do things like cassava. We want to do poultry. As we speak today, we already have delivered about 260,000 chicks. We want to give to farmers so that they can also begin to reflate their own poultry farms. We want to do fishery. We have identified some water bodies, some river bodies, and we are currently working and rebuilding the infrastructure at some dams so that we can do fisheries on a large scale. So, with all of this support to help us reduce the risk in agriculture, we now believe that agriculture can be a very profitable business, and that more Edo people, particularly young people, should now come out and join us in this our program, which we call the Agripreneur Programme for Edo State.
Aliyu Abdulhamid, when I'm been managing director for NIRSAL, come talk say this program waka well for 2019, and say Ogbonge people wey first put body and money for the program plus stakeholders them go get the mind to do more when time reach for another one. The director talk say this program so go support and grow about 880 farmers' life for 4,400 hectares of land for the 18 local government areas wey dey for Edo State.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to commemorate the notable results of a worthy partnership between the Edo State Government and NIRSAL, aimed at redefining and optimizing agriculture and agribusiness for economic empowerment and growth, aimed at supporting and improving the livelihoods of 880 farmers on 4,400 hectares of land across 18 local government areas of Edo State, thereby generating additional employment and economic growth for the people of Edo State. This NIRSAL Edo State government collaboration has enabled the flow of finance, linkage to markets, and utilization of technologies for improved yield, and guaranteed financial returns to 180 smallholder farmers operating on 900 hectares, which will be scaled up in the next coming season. You all know that NIRSAL is an institution created by the Central Bank of Nigeria that has been given mandate by the Central Bank of Nigeria to enable additional finance and investment to come into agriculture from private and other investment sources.
Edo State Commissioner for Agriculture and Food Security, Prince Joe Okoje, come thank Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki for the Ogbonge thing wey he dey do on top agriculture for the state. Okojo still throw a better salute give NIRSAL for their Ogbonge support, and he said make farmers continue to do their work well to better Edo State agricultural sector.
I want to thank and congratulate the farmers in Edo State. You are very important personalities. I urge you farmers to be very proud of what you're doing, because without you farmers, the basis of our existence will be stimulated. If we don't eat, what happens to us? Okay, we'll die. So we need you to continue to produce so that we wouldn't do what? Okay. It's because of you we are all gathered here today to formally launch what I call a successful feat. Like every other initiative or program, there are challenges. However, in the face of these challenges, we have tussled, and even better, to increase the capacity of our farmers and produce food for the good people of Edo State in the same vein, making farmers have a productive season. Your Excellency, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, on behalf of the farmers in Edo State, we thank you for restoring hope and dignities of our farmers and for investing massively in agriculture in Edo State. Thank you all for coming, and God bless you.
Now, after Governor Godwin Obaseki visit for Sobe, now come dey talk to Tori people, say him administration gets plenty Ogbonge plans for ground to do more Ogbonge things on top Edo State agricultural sector.
If you recall, 2 years ago, you were here with us, and when we started this project, and you knew some of the challenges we faced. First, in terms of the mechanization, the level of mechanization. Secondly, the security. This year, it's much better. We have more machines that have come to the farm, particularly in terms of land preparation machines, harrowing, and this were all done in record time before the rain set in. We still have a bit of challenges with security, but we're working on that, particularly headsmen who are looking for pasture and they come into the farms. But it's not been as bad as it was last year, because we took some preemptive measures. So yes, there are areas we can improve. Now that we have conquered this territory, we've cultivated 5,000 hectares. We need to move further. We need to get more land under cultivation. That is another area we need to look at.
Now here we see this Ogbonge update reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. Ontop say Governor Godwin Obaseki don sign better deal with NIRSAL on top Edo State Agripreneur Programme. Make una sabi say this Ogbonge update wey waka come meet una so na T Live Media, and I'm carry am come give una on top waiting shele for inside Edo. So they get more of this Ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.